Today's video, I'm going to talk about how to fix Print Spooler problems on Windows 10. Now, on Windows 10, it can be frustrating when you try to print a document, it gets stuck in a queue, and if you try to cancel the job, it says or it will stay forever that deleting. Now there is a quick fix. Now although there could be a lot of reason why you can't print, including a connection problem or issues with the printer itself. Typically it's a problem with the print spooler on Windows 10. Now this is a service that spools print's job and handles interaction with the printer, and sometimes it will stop working even after restarting your device and printer. So if you're experiencing these problems, now there is a quick fix what you need to try. Now the first thing is what you will have to do is you will have to uh, go to search and type services.msc and select the services app, or else you can also use the run command to open the services.msc. Services.msc is nothing but it gives you all the services which are running on the computer. Now, what you can do is once you have the services window open, you will have to look for Print Spooler, and you will have to do a right click on the Print Spooler, go to Properties. Once you are on the Properties section, you will have to go to the General tab. Under the General tab, you will have to click on Stop. Once the Print Spooler services are stopped, you will have to click on OK. And you may keep the services window open or you may close it. Now, for the demonstration purpose, I will keep the services window open. Now, we will have to open the run command. In order to open the run command, you can press Windows or R key, or else you can go to Search tab and type run. It will open up, select the run command. In the command type or in the open section, you will have to type C colon backslash Windows backslash system32 backslash spool backslash printers. Let me remove the space here. In case if you get a user access control prompt, you may click on OK or continue. Now this will open up the printer section window. In case if you see any files here, what you will have to do is you will have to go and delete it. Basically what you can do is you can do a right click and click on select all, or you can press Ctrl and A, select all the folders and delete whatever content what you see in this folder. Once you have deleted all the items, go to the services tab here, do a right click on the print spooler again, go to properties and click on start, click on OK button. And once you complete all these steps, you can try printing a document that you should be able to print or print the work as expected. So this is how you can go ahead and fix the print spooler problem on your Windows 10. I hope you like this video. In case if you like this video, please make sure you hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And not to forget, in case if you have any problem, leave me comments in the comment section so that I can come up with a possible resolution. Thank you. Have a great day.